I'm very excited that we're celebrating the first National Day of Racial Healing here in Fairfax County. I know it's a national movement. And from our One Fairfax policy here in Fairfax, our equity policy, and our work to help understand the past and help address some of those systemic barriers.
At Neighborhood and Community Services, we envision connected communities where all individuals and families have their fair opportunities to become empowered to thrive. Our intent is for people to feel a sense of belonging and inclusion. The partnership with NOVA's Truth, Racial Healing, and Transformation Center, it enables us to further promote unity, understanding, and healing, which are critical to NCS's mission and to Fairfax County's commitment. Together, we must engage in open and meaningful dialogue, operationalize equity, and be willing to grow and change. I am proud to join all of you today to bring attention to the National Day of Racial Healing.
Good leadership is listening. This is really about listening to each other, TRHT, about the human factor, and about the fact that we are doing this not only in one of the most diverse counties in the world. Those of us who've done a lot of work abroad, I think, can attest to that, but here at NOVA.
To me, part of healing is understanding the problems that existed before and learning how to do better moving forward. To me, a National Day of Racial Healing is important because it's important to listen and to have conversations with people, understand where they're coming from. Whereas the National Day of Racial Healing, commemorated annually, is part of the W.K. Kellogg Foundation's Truth, Racial Healing, and Transformation, TRHT, does hereby proclaim January 16th, 2024 as Day of Racial Healing.